Take me to the office. Avoid traffic.
The optimal route has been planned. You're expected to arrive 5 minutes earlier.
Order me a coffee. Deliver it to the office.
Sure, based on your preferences, I recommend your usual latte. Should I place the order?
Yes.
All set. Your order has been placed. Estimated delivery in 15 minutes. The light is about to turn green. Get ready to go.
Are you off work? It's my birthday today. Don't work late.
I'm on my way. See you soon.
Wow, the sunset is beautiful.
I heard a really great song today. Let's listen together.
Okay.
The flowers you ordered have been delivered. They've been left at the door.
Okay, thank you.
Were you on the phone just now? What's up?
I'm not telling you. I've got a surprise for you.
1 kilometer from home. Would you like to activate home mode?
Yes. Hey, my AI assistant, set my home to surprise mode.
Surprise mode is ready. It will activate automatically when you arrive home. Have a wonderful evening.
Happy birthday.